Hi everyone, thanks for downloading the Barnes Nation app. I'm here just to give you a couple of tips and pointers of how you guys can get the maximum points. Alright, first tip, make sure you have a really clean camera lens. A lot of these missions involve taking pictures, so taking pictures you want to have a clean camera lens, so that way everyone can see what's in the picture.
So always make sure that your camera lens is clean. This will give you better quality pictures, because remember, the better the quality picture, the better chance you have of winning the weekly prize.
Alright, tip number 2, make sure you have your notifications and permissions turned on in the settings menu of your phone. Let me show you how to do that.
So let's go to our settings. Once we're here, let's find the notifications. As you can see, all my notifications are turned on. This allows me to receive a notification when there are events and different missions around me or in my area. Now, let's go to the Game of Barnes app settings. As you can see, I have location, photos, microphone, and camera. They're all turned on. With location, certain missions, in order to complete them, you need to be in that location. With my location turned always on, the app automatically recognizes I've been in that location and will give me the points for that mission. With my photos and camera and microphone turned on, I can take pictures directly from the app, or you can always take a picture and upload it later.
Tip number 3, always be checking the events tab in the Game of Barnes app to see what events are near you and what events are happening. The events are a great way that you can collect a lot of points for just a short amount of time.
So let's open up the Game of Barnes app, and you'll see there's an events tab here. This events tab will populate all the events that are happening in your area, or even some that are outside of your area that you'll be able to attend and collect points. Remember, around each event we'll have 4 or 5 missions, each one giving you a lot of points. So this is a great way to collect and complete missions in a short amount of time.
Tip number 4, taking a screenshot. A lot of the missions include taking a screenshot on Facebook or Instagram or Twitter or other social media as proof that you completed the mission. Let me show you how to take a quick screenshot and post that as proof that you've done an awesome mission.
So how to take a screenshot. You'll notice a lot of the missions will ask you to share to your social media and take a screenshot to prove it in order to complete the mission and get the points. So let me show you how to do that. As you can see here, we've posted a photo to the Barnes Nation Instagram. Now let's take a screenshot. You'll want to push the power button and the home button at the same time, and that takes the screenshot. Now let's just save it to our photos and go back to the app to upload it and complete the mission and get the points. I'm going to choose my photo album because that's where I've saved my photo to. Done. Enter the caption that you want. And I've completed the mission.
Tip number 5, the shop. As you go through the missions, you'll notice that a lot of them will tell you to wear your Barnes Nation swag, whether it's shirt, sweaters, hats, or other things like that, as you take photos. One way to do that is to go to the shop on the Game of Barnes app. You'll see we have a large selection of shirts and hats and other things that you can wear on the missions and really show off your Barnes Nation pride.
Now that I'm in the Game of Barnes app, I'm going to push the store tab, and that will lead me to our Barnes Nation Game of Barnes shop. On this home page here, we'll show you the highlighted items, or if I want to see all the items in the shop, I'll go to the tab and select. Just scrolling through, you'll be able to find all the items that you can purchase. These items are needed for some missions that want you to show off your Barnes Nation swag to get the most points and keep you on the top of the leaderboard.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed these tips and tricks, and I'll see you out there.